Good day, everyone. So today we will have your last lesson in Block A. Everybody, hands up in the air. Okay, hands up in the air. How many fingers do we have? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many fingers do we have? Very good. We have 10 fingers in both hands. What if there are 5 students? How many fingers does the 5 students have? Very good. 5 students have 50 fingers in all. So how did you find out that the 5 students have 50 fingers? That's right. We can count manually one by one using their hands, or we can skip count by tens because one student is equivalent to 10 hands. So we have 5 students, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5 students have 50 fingers in all. So today we will learn about multiplication table of 9. So this would be our aim for today, and I want you to copy or write the following in your math notebook. So we will find the table of 9 using the table of 10. So this would be our activity. Make an array for the table of 10. Then cross out one square from each row. Write the new table of 9. So let's start answering your activity. So in the first array, we have 1 row and 10 column. So the multiplication table we can get here would be 1 times 10 is equal to 10. What if we will cross out one square tile every row? So how many would be, or what would be the new multiplication sentence? Very good. We have 1 row and 9 column. So the new multiplication table would be 1 times 9 equals 9. Let's try the second arrays. How many rows? Very good. We have 2 rows and 10 columns. So what would be our product? If we will multiply the following, 2 times 10 equals 20. So what if again we will cross out one square tile every row? What would be our new multiplication table or multiplication sentence? 2 times 9. Very good. So if we will count all of the square tiles left, that would be 2 times 9 equals 19. And let's have another. We have 3 rows and 10 columns. So 3 times 10 equals 30. And if we will cross out one square tile every row, we got 3 times 9 equals 27. Now it's your turn to answer the following or continue the following activity until you reach 90 in the multiplication table of 9 and 100 in the multiplication table of 10. Now pause the video and able for you to answer the following before we check your answers. Time is up, so let's check your answers. What do you got on the next of 30 times 10? Very good. That is 4 times 10 equals 40. If we will cross out one square tile every row, we got 4 times 9 equals 36. 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 9 equals 45. 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 9 equals 54. 7 times 10 equals 70. 7 times 9, 63. 8 times 10 is equal to 80. And 8 times 9 would be 72. 9 times 10, that would be 90. And 9 times 9 equals 81. 10 times 10 is equal to 100. And 10 times 9 equals to 90. So what have you observed when we are doing the multiplication table and doing it into a newest multiplication sentence of 9? Very good. While we are crossing out every one square tile in each row, the same number of your multiplied number of rows. So after multiplying of our rows and columns of 10, we need to subtract the number of rows to the product to get the correct answer in multiplication table of 9. So how can we write the multiplication table of 9? So first you need to use the table of 9 and subtract the number we are multiplying to get the product of our multiplication sentence of 9. So let's try this word problem. There are 9 balls in a box. Kyla bought 5 boxes. How many balls did he buy in all? So we all know that in one box, there are 9 balls. But Kyla bought 5 boxes. So what will we do to find out the total number of balls? Very good. We can multiply the boxes times the number of balls. So we have here 5 times 9 is equal to 45. So we can see that the total number of balls is 45. Now that you know how to find out the multiplication table of 9 using our table of 10, I want you to work on with your offline activity in the workbook. That is the second quarter workbook that you have in the Seatwork number 4, page 6. So please read carefully the word problem before answering, and do not forget to submit your works in our Google Classroom classwork for this day. That would be Seatwork worksheet bin number 8.4. So that would be all for today. God bless.